Now we want to create a 21-step test ramp. We're going to do that. So the thing we want to do, first of all, is create a new group. So click on the group icon, and I'll name it 21-step test. How's that? But I want to make a copy of this continuous cone gray layer, so I'll take that and I will drag that onto the new layer icon. It makes me a copy, and I'll make sure that that's in my new group. See how it's now? It's indented, it's in there, and I'll rename that one too. 21 step, I'll call it. Okay. I want to make sure this folder has blend mode is at normal. Opacity is 100%, all of those things. So here in my 21-step layer, I'm going to do something interesting. I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to move it so we can see it. I'll move it down here. Here we go. That one will do. On this one, what I want to do is I want to break it into 21 sections so that we can take our measurements and block them out. So there'll be steps instead of a continuous tone gradient. It'll be 21 separate steps. Now I could measure this and lay this out and do it, but there's another way to do it, which is pretty neat. I'm going to make an adjustment layer on this. So here's the adjustment layer. Remember the black and white circle for adjustment layers? I click on that once, and the one that I want to do, you can't see. So it's down at the bottom, and it's called posterize. So let me click that, close that. Let me close the info palette so you can see it. Here it is. Posterize. Now here's my posterize thing. It makes an adjustment layer, and it asks me how many levels I want. I can drag the slider, or I can just type in the box 21 levels. And you see what it's done? It's taken my thing and broken it up into 21 separate chunks. So we'll click adjustments so we can see it. Let's look back at our info palette. Here's the one on the far left, and it says it's 100% black. The next one is 96, the next one 91, next one 86, the next one 81. You see what's happening? The one right in the middle is 51%, so almost 50, just about 50% gray. So what we want to do now is we want to label these. So, and the cursor moving across will tell us what to label.